So student success really is at the heart of QEP. It's about preparing students as early as possible so that they gain that engagement necessary to really grow in their career interests. So for example, with public relations, when students come in early on in their PR classes, they're doing projects for real clients. By the time they reach our experiential learning lab, which is Bluestone, the student-run public relations firm, we cut the learning curve and the students are able to immediately, within the second week, start doing work for clients. They're doing extensive 10-step public relations plans. They're doing full campaigns where clients are really implementing these things and seeing the results. And what that does for the student is it connects them. It allows them to see areas that they may need to grow in. It allows them to see their strengths, and it also allows them, while they're on campus, to determine areas that they may want to continue to pursue.
My role as the QEP champion for the College of Education may be a little different than champions for other colleges. In the College of Education, we have been very intentional in weaving career readiness and experiential learning throughout our curriculum. So every student in our program gets to engage in multiple opportunities throughout their time with us. So my role is less about encouraging faculty to embed more activities or different activities, and more about developing a vocabulary around the value that those activities bring to our students. So it's giving our faculty the language and the support they need to help our students reflect on the experiences so they can see how it ties into their future career success.
Well, in my role, what I hope to accomplish in terms of helping my colleagues see the value of the QEP and understanding that they are already doing many of the things that the QEP actually is designed specifically to do, which is to help students understand the connection between the courses that they're taking and their future careers. So my hope is that they can help students envision or imagine themselves in those future careers, because they are already in their classrooms doing many of the things that students are going to do. They're already doing research, they're already writing, they're communicating, they are involved in different kinds of internships, in experiential learning. So it's just a matter of helping faculty see what they already do and helping students connect what they already do to what their future careers might look like.